Good evening. So, I'm done with playing pickleball. Now we're going home to our house. Of course, something come on to go home with me. Sorry, I forgot to seatbelt. It will take me about 5 minutes. Educational or to raise awareness, especially to women. The Republic Act 9262, Violence Against Women and Children. Well, actually, kani nga balaod, ugay na ni siya no 2004, pa ni siya na yun. People are not that fully aware pa sa ang sulod ani nga balaod. Bawsi law is created to protect women and their children from abuse. Ug under ani nga balaod, there are 4 forms of abuse. First is ang physical violence or physical abuse. Second is ang psychological violence or abuse. Third is ang economic abuse. Fourth is ang sexual abuse. And when nato maingon nga naay bawsi, so ang element sa bawsi gyud is it is an act or series of acts. And kana nga mga acts of abuse and violence, enumerated na siya sa Section 5 of Republic Act 9262. While the law categorized these acts into 4, nagi mga specific acts nga nag-lay down when nga ang isa ka act sa perpetrator or partner sa isa ka woman makonsider nga mo-fall sa bawsi. So if you have time, you can read no short ra nga part sa RA 9262. Kanang pasakitan ka sa partner physically, slap imong face, ibira imong buhok. Unsa man nato dai karon if kita is victim no or natay nabalaan nga or woman nga i-abuse, report to the nearest barangay. Kaya mga barangay nato naa sila ginatawag na Violence Against Women and Children Desk Officer, or we call them Bawsi Desk Officer. Kana sila nga mga in charge are trained to handle bawsi cases. Aside from that, ang first line of protection that our bawsi victim can avail is ang gitawag nga barangay protection order. Mag-apply ang usa ka victim. In fact, dili lang